a custom keyboard without a custom keyboard. Here's a tutorial. First, go to Play Store. Go to search bar. Search up face emoji. If you realize my keyboard is changed because I already make it. Now I don't know how to is. Here's F. Let me find face. F. Where can you give it to me? Such a face emoji. Go to install if open, go to open. Open it. Don't pick any of this. Go to create. Nothing. Because this is really not mine. Pick any of this. I want more though, but I suggested I just want this. Until under that, pick a size if not the same size. Here now, pick any. Here you go. Now pick any of this. Any F of you like. If you hate the sound effects, don't worry. You can just delete. If you're kind of lazy, you can do this. You can use fine. Look at this. What's that sound? No sound. Something like this. Yes, there's sound. So pick any like. Well, I picked this.